Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a Volkswagen Tiguan of a 2014, and on this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace your dome light. On this model we have two dome lights, one on both sides because it has the panoramic sunroof in this vehicle. And so what you need to do is from the front side, the side with the zero on it, we're going to take a small screwdriver and be able to press it in. So we have a little release tab, and then we are able to pull this out, and then you pull this. There's a little back cover that you pull off, and then you can pop the light bulb out and be able to get a new one to replace this one. This is a 7546F light bulb that you would get to replace this one. So you'd get a new one of those, be able to line it up in there, press it up into place, and then you'll want to put your little cover backing plate on. That you just slide back into place. Then you just take this up in from the back and snap that back up. And that's how you'd replace your dome light on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.